this problem, we want to find the equation of the tangent line of the graph f at the given point. So we got f of x is equal to 16 over 8 plus 2x to the third power at negative 3, 2. Now, I want this to be parentheses to a power. I can't have the parentheses to a power in denominator. So I'm going to take that parentheses to a power in denominator, move it up on top, put it in the numerator. Anytime you move anything opposite where it's at in a fraction, the sign of the exponent changes. So this becomes 8 plus 2x to the negative 3. And now we can do step 1, find our derivative. This is the chain rule, the general power rule. It says if you have parentheses to a power, you take your power, put it out in front. What's inside the parentheses remains as is. Lower your power by 1, so negative 3 minus 1, times the derivative of what's inside your parentheses. 16 times negative 3 is negative 48, and then we got 8 plus 2x, negative 3, negative 1 is negative 4. And then derivative of 8 is 0, and derivative of 2x is 2. I'll take the 2 and put it back out in front. Actually, I need to create a fraction, so never mind that. I'll put it up on top. Negative 48 times 2 gives us negative 96 over 8 plus 2x to the positive 4. We take the 8 plus 2x and negative 4 to the denominator, so it becomes a positive exponent. Remember, when you take anything opposite where it's at, the sign of the exponent changes. Opposite of where it's at in terms of a fraction. Step 2. Change your derivative notation to m and plug in the x part of your point. They're giving us this point, so they're giving us x, they're giving us y. So I'm going to plug negative 3 in for the x. So I got negative 96 over 8 plus 2 times negative 3 to the fourth power. Which gives us negative 96. 2 times negative 3 is negative 6. So we got 8 minus 6, which is 2. So we got 2 to the fourth power. Excuse me. Which gives us negative 96 over 2, 4, 8, 16. It's too early in the morning for my brain to simplify this. I think they're both divisible by 4, but let me... yeah, 4. Might be more than that. Negative 24 over... Really? Negative 6. 6, 3, yeah, sure enough. Okay, well, then m is equal to negative 6. Step 3. Plug in the given point for x and y. So we said y was negative 2, or y was 2. We just said m was negative 6, and x is negative 3. Plus b. And then we want to solve for b. Negative 6 times negative 3 is 18, plus b. Take the 18 on the left side, we get 2 minus 18 equals b, or b is equal to negative 16. Now step 4 is to actually write our answer down. So we'll plug in the m we found in step 2, which is negative 6. We'll plug in the b we found in step 3, which is negative 16. And our answer is y is equal to negative 6x minus 16. Now I'm going to do a quick check here just to, on some of my math. If I plug in the negative 3 for the x, negative 6 times negative 3 is 18. 18 minus 6 does give me the y part, which is 2. So that's our answer.